Hello friends, how are you doing? This is Team S channel. Hope so all of you doing well, and in this video I am going to show you how you can turn off or turn on notifications or notification settings in vivo Y15s. So before you starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to enable or disable notifications in your vivo Y15s, first of all you just need to open settings and then go to notification settings. And just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video to enable or disable any application notifications or all apps notifications in your vivo mobile.